How to enter Roblox App Star Code. This tutorial I'll be showing you guys how you are able to enter the App Star Code on the Roblox app. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. So if you enter a App Star Code on the Roblox app, what that will do is if you buy certain Robux, the certain percentage of your purchase will be there to support the creator or the app star that you've just added. So for example, if you just go ahead and open up your Roblox, and let's say if there is a Roblox creator or app star that you want to support, then adding their code is the best way to support them. So what you want to do is once you get here, make sure that you're logged in. Tap on the Roblox icon right here at the top and wait for it to load. And from here, you just want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and here you see an option to add a star code. Tap right here, enter your code. So let's say if I want to support Mermaid Gaming, I'm just going to enter its name like this. Tap on add. And as you can see here, right now I'm supporting Gaming Mermaid. And if you want to remove this, tap on remove, and you can add someone else if you'd like. And when you add that and make certain purchase, they will get a small kickback from your purchase, and that's how you can support them. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.